Hello my lovely Taurians, this is your general reading from mid-May until the end of May, okay? I've just done your love reading, so have a look if you haven't done it. How do they see you and how do they see you? So if something similar comes out here, we're gonna address it, okay? I do it because I feel like you need it. It's your birthday and the energy's been a little bit, they haven't been light. I mean, we're strong, but things been going on in our heads, okay? So I want to make sure I can support you and be here for you. So I'm gonna just pull the cards now. I'm using Celtic spread. Wow. Similar to the love reading sort of outcome, energy for you is 10 of Wands, okay? You are feeling tired. Something made you, something's been exhausting you, draining your energy, nagging your shoulder, okay? This could be love situation, this could be work situation where you feel like, you know what, I'm just tired now. I've invested a lot of emotions into this. There was a lot of drama, misunderstanding, bickering, arguing, back and forth. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I need a break from this. Whatever this is, Taurus, that's the overall energy in the next 2 weeks of May, okay? When you feel like you want to take a break from a situation, okay? Yeah, that's how it is, you know. You may come back to the situation, you may know, you know, you may change your perspective after holidays. Maybe you want to leave a job but you're not sure, so you're taking your time away. It's May, I don't know, May holiday just passed, but maybe you feel like, you know, going away somewhere for a couple of days. Maybe you change your mind. The same with a love relationship, okay? Or maybe you locking yourself in the house because you feel like, you know what, I just want some me time. I'm bloody exhausted. The Taurus is tired here, okay? Let me just clean the camera because it seems a little bit, might become a little bit dirty. Okay, that's better, right? Okay, here I am. Because the other videos were quite blurry. So, okay, so where you are right now. Whoa, oh my goodness. Virgo had the same card to start off. You are walking away, Taurus, from something that did not serve you, okay? This woman, she's got a veil on her head. It is an analytical decision made that comes straight after or sometime after you know, you're done emotionally, okay? Once you get over someone or something emotionally, you are making a decision, okay, now it's time for me to walk away, walk towards something more stable, to the brighter future. This situation was not stable. There was a lot of drama. It hurts me. I do genuinely feel regretful how things went and work out. But I'm not stupid. So I'm gonna get on this boat and I'm gonna still make my life, you know, make the best out of my life. Because I know the time heals. I know that if I get to the other side of this, you know, the other shore, the other side of the sea, ocean, I will start all over again. And I will move towards something better, more positive direction, brighter future. It is an analytical decision, okay, that you are making, Taurus, right now or in the next 2 weeks. And perhaps this is following the exhaustion, being drained emotionally, you know, too much drama. And then second card is the divine connection, probably soulmate connection put you here. But let's see how this unfolds, because we all know that when Taurians experience emotional love issues, it affects the entire world, right? Work, food, what you eat, your sleeping pattern, everything. Okay, now what might be crossing you, what will be good or not good for you in this situation. Okay, sorry, I can hear vibration here. Is this my phone? Oh, it's actually someone's calling me, sorry. Nah, I'm just gonna close it. Sorry, I thought it was in that flight mode. Maybe it wasn't. Okay, I'm back with you. Hope that didn't disturb you too much. Now it's on the flight mode. So what might be crossing you with this? You wanting to walking away towards something more stable. It's analytical decision making. You know, I feel like you're still thinking about is whether this is a good choice. Because you've got 5 of Wands, you're still experiencing internal conflict and thinking, am I doing the right thing? You might be asking people, am I doing the right thing? Okay? You're doing it, but you're still questioning it. Remember, listen to what you want. Don't care about other people's opinion. I mean, you can ask them. I know you, Taurus. You know best. You don't need to even listen. But I feel like with this card, this is someone who's listening to other people advice, because they're experiencing internal conflict. Okay, so you may need that, but remember, you know, moving away from anything is never easy, and you can listen to people, talk to them, but the final decision always belongs to you. So choose whatever seems the closest to 100% in terms of rightness. On a subconscious level, okay, you know, you're celebrating something. There's some celebrations. You possibly doing well. This could also be a third party situation or the end of a conflict between you and 2 other people. Okay. So I feel like you're walking over towards something brighter and better, and on a subconscious level in your dreams, you still got this feeling of thoughts and memories of a third party situation, possibly. Or you also celebrate that you've managed finally to move away, to make that decision. But let's see how the story unfolds so I can tell you more, because I need to see the whole picture, you know. Right, now where is this card? What is this card doing here? All right. Okay, we got here the new future. I don't know why this card. Sorry, I messed up some cards. So I feel like, you know, I made a mistake here, because this card is actually new future. So either way, in the near future, you'll be questioning, am I making the right choice, the right decision, you know, and you'll be like, you know, thinking about it, blah, 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 yada, yada. What you got to do is make sure you listen to what is it that you really want. But what will be crossing you, what I think may happen when you choose to move away, someone may come in and try to pull you back and manipulate you, Taurus, okay? Someone will try to manipulate you back. Use their intelligence, use their emotional, like a manipulation, money to pull you back, okay? So be ready for this. Now, in the past, we've got the Queen of Coins. Queen of Coins is someone who's very nurturing, Scorpio energy, nurturing, practical, okay, provider, someone who's very good with money. So this was you back in time, okay? Queen of Coins. Right now, you're focusing on the moon. Maybe there's a Cancer in your environment, or some secrets coming out, or you're focusing on something that happened in the past, you know, maybe you're living in the past, still thinking about, you know, I've made that decision, but was this the right decision? I'm thinking of this person, I'm thinking of this situation, why is this pattern of behavior keeps occurring over again in my life, you know? So you might be taking a walk down the mirror lane and thinking, you know, why am I always ending up in the same relationships? How can I fix it? Okay? Or there might be some secrets coming out right now, and this is why you're choosing to walk away. Okay? Like for good. For good. So the near future I've already mentioned, you know, you will be questioning, you know, yourself, internal conflict. Am I doing the right thing? What should I choose? Making a choice, you know, or reflecting on this choice. I feel like I'm missing one card, so I'm gonna put it up. I don't know why I'm missing one card. Okay, your self-reflection is, you feel like you got left out in the cold, like this situation made you lose out financially, emotionally. You feel like it was unfair on you, basically. Whatever happened, it's unfair on you, Taurus. It is. The way people view you with a Knight of Swords, people view you as if you're communicating the truth, but at the same time, you're cutting off any bullshit. You're getting to the bottom of the truth, okay? Knight of Swords is someone who just say, okay, this is us when we annoyed, when we sort of like, okay, I've had enough of your bullshit. I've been internalizing my thoughts and my stuff for quite a long time, but now you're pushing me a bit too much. So you get on your horse with Knight of Swords and you just like cutting off any bullshit, cutting off people. I don't mean the heads. I watched the Game of Thrones last night, so I just got this image of people being beheaded. No, that's not what you're gonna do. What I mean, like, metaphorically speaking, cutting off any bullshit, cutting off people who just full of shit, cutting off people who are fake, cutting off people who are there like leeches, just living off your energy, cutting off anything and anyone who just seems not real. And that's how people see you cutting off, talking, saying stuff that are true, not shouting, but like you might be shouting. I may see Taurus shouting the truth out. People don't like the truth, Taurus, okay? The thing is that I've read it somewhere, if you think that karma is a bitch, wait till you see a Taurus losing the temper with you, okay? So people may be surprised, because if there's some secrets coming out, Taurus, yeah, with the moon, in your love life, in your work, whatever it is, take as resonates with your situation. This would make you be like, all right, this is it, I'm done, this is this is the bottom line. And someone else will try to manipulate and say, no, stay, it wasn't like this, it wasn't supposed to be like that, you don't understand. And what's nice this time around, despite you knowing how you're feeling, you lost out emotionally, financially because of this situation, Taurus, possibly a third party situation, maybe someone betrayed you, it was way too much to take for one person, Taurus. You are strong, so you handle it well, but people know they can't be around the bush with you because you know how to get to the truth. And if they say something or they try to sort of manipulate you, tell them to literally bugger off, and people know this. Your words may hurt. This could be a sharp communication. People may see as if you are sort of ruthless, but true and fair, that you don't think before you speak. But you've already thought about this 1,000 times. You do think, but the way you express yourself maybe is a little bit harsh. So if this is you, Taurus, try to hold your horses, okay? I know exactly the energy. I feel this energy. Try not to allow people to push your buttons, because when they push your buttons, Taurus, they win. So hold your horses, keep your composure, okay? And if there's anyone who you feel like is not worth trusting, is bullshitting, is not a loyal friend or a partner or whoever it is, you just cut them off. Cut off anything or anyone on your way that is, not good for you. It's not good for you. I feel quite passionate about this because I think over the last year, I've been through this, and many of us Taurians, we've been through this energetically, when you discover who your real friends are, and you've discovered that people will fuck you over when they can fuck you over, okay? People are not innocent. People will take you for granted when they ask us on the fire, etc., etc. But I'm not gonna go there because I get a bit wound up, as Taurians do. Okay, piece of advice from the universe: Hermit, Virgo energy, doing soul searching, Taurus. Perhaps it's time for soul searching, going within. Okay. Asking yourself questions, because all of the questions you've got, you can find them within. I feel like, I sort of don't want you to go there, because I feel like you've been there for the last few months. But I feel like you might be a little bit in the next reason in this sort of a Virgo Hermit mode, okay? Doing soul searching. But the outcome is nice. Knight of Coins. You'll be taking it slowly in your life, okay? You will be, yes, resenting changes. So what? This is the earth energy. You'll be doing what you know you've done, tested. You'll be taking very slow. You'll be trying to build up your finances, because after being left out in the cold, you need this, okay? Going to work, doing your routine. You love routine anyway. But you will achieve success in the end, Taurus. You know? So let's clarify. What are those secrets about that you're focusing on, or some kind of a pattern of behavior that keeps happening over again in your life, that you're being put back into square one with a situation or with someone? Two of Wands. Inability to make a choice, you know? Not taking any action, sitting on the top of a castle knowing you've got options but not making a decision, not exploring other options, just looking, not taking any action. You might be questioning yourself, why can't I take any action? Why am I always in two minds about something? Why can't I just do it? Right? But I think you will be doing it, or at least you'll be doing it in your thoughts. And something will try to drag you back, pull you. So I think your strength will be tested in the next 2 weeks, Taurus. Right? On a subconscious level, 3 of Cups. Why? Wow. 9 of Pentacles. This is actually, I feel like you'll be happy. You celebrated some success. You are this success, whatever you've been working on, Taurus, something personal. It's bringing you self-realization, and you sort of becoming more confident and independent, okay? You are more aware of your self-worth. I want to see, why do people see you with Knight of Swords? I sort of sense, and I know why, but let's see what card do we get here. Okay, rewards of labor. The battles are over. But you're not getting into any pointless battles with anyone. Okay, there's something came to the end, and whenever someone's trying to drag you, pull you back into that negative energy, you're like, just leave me alone. Keep still, like keep away. One more card. Again, 2 of Swords, you know. So your emotions are being blocked. Your emotions are being blocked, okay? And it says here, failure to communicate. I think, you know, 2 of Swords is about not wanting to speak up, not wanting to make a choice. We've got this before, you know. But I feel like you were unable to communicate or say something for so long about something that came to the end. You kept bottling up your emotions, and now I feel like you might be ending up in a situation in the next 2 weeks when someone is trying to talk to you about it, or when you finding out some truth that leads to you sort of like, you know, cutting off the bullshit, cutting off the situation, and not having a, and that would also put you in the hermit mode. You do some soul searching. What is it that I really want? Why this happened? Blah blah blah. Sorry about blah blah blah. And the Hermit mode. We've got the, okay, dishonesty, 7 of Swords. Someone was very dishonest. Someone sacrificed something in order to succeed. Someone dishonored you back in time, and you're wondering why they did it, what they've done it, okay? Maybe that's something you gotta do soul searching, go within to realize why were they dishonest, you know? Maybe they've got a mental issue, maybe they're narcissistic, you know, maybe there was my psychological disorder. It doesn't have to be you, Taurus. Why do you always think it's you? But the outcome is nice. You're gonna take it slow next time. Very slow. Knight of Coins, okay? You gotta test your waters before you take any steps further. Now let's clarify Knight of Coins. Knight of Coins, 6 of Cups, 5 of Cups, sorry, and the Tower, okay? So Knight of Coins were clarified with Pentacles, with 5 of Cups. You know, because you got hurt in the past, you know, you sort of still like focusing on something that did not work out in the past. Like I said, 5 of Cups. Next time, you'll be smarter, okay? You'll be smarter when it comes to a tower, when it comes to anything that could potentially shake your foundation, any arguments, any people pushing your buttons. Next time, you be smart. You would just focus on your coin, because this time around you lost out financially, possibly because you said too much, the truth, but you cut the bullshit. But that also put you in a situation when you had to walk away, or you have to walk away from something, and left out emotionally, financially. In the past, finances were great, Queen of Coins. You were independent. Recently, there's been a lot of shits going on, maybe the last year, in fact. But in the near future, you're gonna have your money back. Just take it slow. Take it slow. And don't allow anyone to push your buttons. You don't need any drama, Taurus. Taurians do not need drama. People push Taurians to have the drama because they react. So the advice I need to give you, that I give to myself, and I mean, if you can give it to yourself as well, is, you know, the moment you allow someone to push your buttons, this is the moment when they win, okay? So the best thing is to keep your head down and walk away. Otherwise, you're gonna end up, you know, because we live in the world where the honesty doesn't always win, unfortunately, you know. Spirit message for you, Taurus. Nature, nice. Nature. This is a time for you, Taurus, to absorb the healing, prosperities that nature has to offer. Your mind, body, and soul need nourishment, energy, revitalization, and strength. Nature has much to offer, so take this time to connect and spend some quality time outdoors. Go to a park. Nature's gonna help you, you know. It will feed your soul and your mind, and you can go within and think about it, but don't think for too long, you know. If someone was dishonest, if someone, you know, betrayed you, it's on them, it's not on you, you know. Now, Spirit, sorry, I'm getting a bit, I'm feeling quite, I don't know how to, you probably can feel it, like I really feel this reading. I think because we all go through similar situations, you know, and I can't say that I can sort of link this to my past experiences as well. So let's get you an angel. Angel for Taurus. Yvonne, aye, nice one. You have a special bond with animals. Your pets on earth and heaven are watched over by angels. Oh yes, they are. They are. Okay. So you have a special bond with animals. So your piece of advice is to connect with animals and with nature in the next week of May, and do not allow anyone to push your buttons, because unfortunately, like I said, what did I said that thing before, you know, like people think that karma is a bitch, wait till you meet Taurus when they're angry. Okay, or I've also read a quote about Taurus because I like to read them, something like, you know, don't play mind games with someone who knows how to play them better. So when this person comes around and tries to pull you back from the situation, just tell them, you know, don't play the mind games with someone who can play them way better than you, babe. Ooh, I feel so tuned in with this reading. And 10 of Wands, your overall energy, you know, I'm taking time away from this bullshit and drama. I'm tired. Finito. Okay. The end of the cycle. And for me, it is a victory after the betrayal and defeat. Okay. So, hope to resonate with you. And be strong, my Taurians. Be strong. Because it looks good. It looks good. But just be wary, you know, of your words. Because our words can cut. And sometimes people don't see them coming, right? But we're all just humans, okay? So, talk to you soon. Bye.